So I got a comment on one of my videos where I'm using this Makita 7104L chain mortiser, and the commenter suggested that I was using the machine wrong. Now, it wasn't a troll-like comment. The exact comment was, another guy working on the wrong side of the Makita chain mortiser. Makita designed it to be run from the chain side, not from the back side. Yes, I own one. So he sounds like he knows what he's talking about. Nice job on the sawhorse. So that makes me, a nice comment, suggests it wasn't really just trolling me. So it got me thinking, well, if I'm using it wrong, I know who to blame. I took a timber framing course at the North House Folk School, and my instructor, Tom Healy, who is a professional timber framer, showed us how to use this, and this is how we used it. So let me consider this guy's advice. He's suggesting that I should be using it from over here, which immediately doesn't feel right for a few reasons. One, the trigger to start the machine is on the index finger side where you'd expect it, here, and it's also on my right hand, my dominant side here. Now, if I were using it from this side, I'd be starting it with my pinky. I've never seen a machine anywhere that you run with a switch from your pinky. Now, the next thing is when you use this thing, now I like to stand on a bit of a stool when I use it. If you look down here, you can see I've got just a little simple step stool that I use to change my working height a little bit. I stand up on the stool and I start the machine, release this switch with my thumb to drop it down, and then you do a full plunge cut, and you come back up and you change the angle, and you do a second cut, and you come back up, and you change the angle, and you do a third cut. And then finally you go back down and you go to the bottom and you sweep across the bottom to clean things up. And that's the full process. Now, you notice all of that, I'm working with my thumb to drop it, my index finger to engage this switch, my index finger to engage the trigger. It all makes sense. Now, arguments for using it from this side, well, I can see this index a little bit better. I do maintain the machine from this side. I put oil in the chain, and you can still operate these switches, which change the position and lock it down from this side, but I would be doing that with my left hand. Now, I think 6 out of 7 people are right-hand dominant, so it strikes me that you designed for the right-hand dominant. So to lock it down with my right hand is convenient from this side. To change the position with my right hand is convenient from this side. Even the label reads upright from this side of the machine. So trigger here, operating the switches here, everything to me suggests that I was taught it to do it the right way, and the commenter is wrong. And I appreciate the comment. It's always nice to get constructive criticism, but in this case, I think I will A, listen to my instructor, and B, keep my own counsel and continue to use it from this side of the machine. Thanks for watching.